So welcome back guys. Today we are going to see the one more example of recursion, that is how can we find the factorial of a number by using the recursion concept. So let's move forward with public class and let's just create our public class, go with the main method. Let's do one thing, I'm just creating out one condition here, okay, and here I'm taking out n equals to 1, okay. So in case if n is equals to 1, that condition just return 1 simply. Else if it's not 1, in that condition a recursive function would be called, that is, a recursion logic would be called, let's say, n into factorial n minus 1. So f would be here small, of course, and we can just go to our main method. So this is not actually public static void main, this would be the factorial method. Let's create the method of integer kind with the factorial name. So this is the method we have created. Now let's just move forward with the main method and the things are going to execute from here. So let's just give for better experience for user, I'm giving here factorial of 5. Let's add on our factorial and let's just pass the 5. So let's just try to run first of all. Okay, let's just check the error. So of course we need to change the thing from here as well. Let's just give here the int and then only it will be able to move forward, and that's what we received. Factorial of 5 is 120. What did we completed here? We have just created the if else condition inside the factorial function, which is taking an integer input from user, okay. If in case if n is 1, just return quickly, and in case if it's not 1, right, so just follow out this logic, right, that is desired number into factorial of n minus 1, which is calling to itself again only. So I hope factorial of a number using recursion is clear. Do let me know if any questions or queries are there. Thank you.